This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Reach under the bonnet, depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Remove the cover where fitted, then using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Fully apply the handbrake. Position the trolley jack head under the front cross member jacking point and raise the front of the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands placed each side under the reinforced section of the sill. Note the small pieces of wood on the axle stands to prevent damage to the sills. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands. Fully unscrew the retaining bolts and remove the road wheel. Unclip the ABS and brake pad wear sensor wiring. Then slide out the metal clip and pull the brake hose from the support on the suspension strut. Unscrew the nut from the lower end of the anti-roll bar drop link. If necessary, using an open-ended spanner on the flats provided to prevent the ball joint stud turning, and detach the link from the anti-roll bar. Slacken and remove the pinch bolt from the base of the strut. At the top of the hub carrier, apply penetrating fluid to the joint between the hub and the base of the strut. Using a hammer and block of wood if necessary, tap the hub downwards to separate it from the base of the strut. Take care to avoid damage to the gaiters for the lower ball joint and drive shaft outer CV joint as the hub is lowered. Have an assistant support the strut from below, then unscrew and remove the 3 strut upper nuts. Lower the strut from the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the strut into position, engaging the studs with the holes in the engine compartment, then refit the upper mounting nuts and tighten them to the specified torque. Position a jack under the end of the lower arm and spray lubrication around the base of the strut. Align the locating flange on the back of the strut with the slot in the top of the hub carrier. Then raise the jack, sliding the hub carrier up the strut. Wriggle the hub carrier a little to assist its movement. Raise the hub carrier until the hole in the strut flange aligns with the pinch bolt hole. Refit the pinch bolt to the hub carrier and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the jack from under the lower arm. Engage the lower end of the link rod with the anti-roll bar. Refit the nut and tighten it to the specified torque using a spanner to counterhold the ball joint stud. Refit the ABS wiring, brake pad wear sensor wiring and brake hose to their support brackets. Then secure the hose by sliding the metal clip into place. Locate the road wheel over the hub, then refit the retaining bolts and lightly tighten them. Raise the vehicle slightly using the trolley jack, then remove the axle stand from each side. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to the specific torque. Don't forget to remove the special anti-theft bolt adapter and refit the cover. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.